Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a full day of eating. It's going to be like a full day of cutting what I eat when I'm on a cut. The last couple of days have not been too good for me. Luckily I haven't actually put on any weight despite what I've eaten. On Thursday I had the best jerk chicken platter, which was incredible, it tasted so good, with a few cocktails, and yesterday was my mum's birthday, so we had the meal, had a few beers, but yeah, like I say, luckily I didn't actually put on any weight. First meal of today is going to be oatmeal or porridge, and I'm going to have that with these, it's like flax seeds, chia seeds, and it's like good fatty acids, that sort of thing, and does add a little bit of extra calories to the meal. So while I do this, I'm going to talk about my last few days training as well. So on, when was it? It would have been Tuesday now. I was benching, worked up to 122.5 kilos, which is actually the heaviest I've benched for a while. I've been benching 120 for a long time. It's the first time I've gone above 120 and it felt really good. Then did a load of back down sets, which were all pretty easy as well. And then I had a couple of rest days on Wednesday, because Wednesday is my usual rest day. Thursday, because I went out for French Leaving Do. So yesterday I trained high bar squats and they felt absolutely terrible. So as you can see, I managed to grind out a triple of 175 high bar. And then after that, I think I must have just rushed my warm up, because as I got into it, it actually felt a lot better. And I was doing 5 sets of 8, which is just mental. So my legs are pretty sore today. I am going into the gym, even though I've got sore legs, to do sumo deadlifts, so we'll have to wait and see how that goes. I don't actually know what weight I'm working up to. I need to wait and see what Chris is put in the programming. So yeah, that's that. Another update is injury updates, unfortunately. I thought my knees were getting better, but it turns out they're not, and I have got a double knee impingement in both my knees, so flexing my knee is very painful. Luckily my glute and hamstring injury is slightly better. So yeah, no real concerns. I can still squat, but it's just a bit uncomfortable. Okay, so this is going to go in the microwave for a couple of minutes, then I'm going to add in the chia seeds and some honey. It's hot. And because we're cutting, we've got to weigh all of this shit, so I already know what's in this, so I don't need to weigh this. So the flaxseed, normally put 30 grams in, because that's a serving. There we go. Mix all of this in. Some extra cinnamon. And then some honey. So this is obviously a very high carb meal because it's my pre-workout meal. Gonna have protein later in the day. I just want to have a lot of energy when I go and deadlift today. So do a live taste test for you. See what I think. Amazing, right. I'm going to smash through this and then I'll probably see you in the gym. Push, 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 push.
Yes.
Yeah. Well done, mate. Back home, it's time to get some more food. And what that food is going to be rice and turkey mince. Proper bro food. That is a lot of protein. So this is 376 grams of thigh mince with the rice. Obviously I didn't have much protein for breakfast, so I'm gonna try and get a hell of a lot of protein in now. I'll put the macros for the day up there now. No idea what they are because I haven't calculated them yet. But yeah, I'm gonna have this, then I'm gonna do a couple hours of studying, so I'll see you in the next meal. Yeah, okay, that was weird. Don't really know why I did that. Moving on. So for my next meal, going to be having a protein shake because it is 50 grams of protein, pretty much no carbs, no fat, and I can't really afford to have any carbs or fats because I'm only on 2,200 calories at the moment, which is hardly anything. So I'm gonna have this, which will put my calories on that. And then I'll probably have another protein snack before bed. So for the final meal of the day, I'm having, yes, you guessed it, egg whites. Just pure protein, taking out the yolk so I don't have the fat. That's going to put my calories on 2,300 for the day. Slightly below protein. I'm normally aiming for about 180 grams, but I'm not too bothered about that. Gone slightly over 2,200 as well because I had a really intense training session today, so burnt a few extra calories, so I feel like I can do that and get away with it. So that is the end of my full day of eating, guys. I am now watching the boxing and I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the evening, have a day off tomorrow as well from the gym, and then we're back on it on Monday. So yeah, take care guys, peace.